And the photo shoot begins. I'm so glad I don't gotta be the one taking all those photos. Swore. Photo duties. That's one thing I've realized about being a tourist. You gotta be ready to like take photos for any random person, because everyone wants to take a photo in beautiful Jamaica, right? Is that yours, son?
Alright, then for the 3 colors. Right in front of us. Thank you.
Alright, first one. Alright. Oh, you want to take a picture of 3 of them? Yeah. Let me tell you guys, the Bob Marley is pretty good. Alright guys, so we were in the pool just now messing around. The entertainment was really good, but I didn't want to take a camera out in the pool. So Judah now, we're having her go up on the stage, you know what I'm saying? We on baby duty, and she about to go wind her waistline. Babe, I got him, go.
Sounds good. Lady number 2, name where you from? Sophie from London. Sophie from London. Perfect.
Go, babe.
Now guys, you wait for safe travel. They're going back
home. Go. Even if it's 8, go on.
Wait for safe travel. The big plane, they're going back home to snow.
Judah, go on. Even if I 8 of them.
Here we go. Lady number 3.
Them more woman. Your man never turn a woman. Go on.
Canada.
Come on.
Lady number 4.
Don't wimp out now.
Jen Canada. The aliens are here.
Also Jen from
Yeah, she a bit
Jen
shy.
Canada. Cool.
Courtney from New York.
Courtney from New York, USA.
Annie from New York.
Amani from New York. What you know? Come here, where you go? Name where you from? Tweety from Jamaica. Who next? Where you going? Where's your eye go? Where you go? No, but I didn't know you're not elf. I want somebody else or something here. Name where you from, darling?
Jamaica.
Julie from Jamaica.
Hey, Judah from Jamaica.
Now, guys,
let's get it.
Calm down, everybody. Calm down. Hot. Be creative.
All right, so they all get 10 seconds to drop it like it's hot. I hope Judah does it.
Hold on, stop. Calm down. Please get right to family resort. You want to see that? We go to hedonism or reggae. This is, yeah, but we got kids around. None of that stuff. Cool. But ladies, just have fun. Break it down. Do some splits. Go on your head. Do some stuff. Be creative. There's props around. The coconut tree. Triple X is a prop. I'm a prop. Let's just have fun. Now, lady number 1, you're up first. Yes, you're up first, Jen. You're up first. Now, on 2, we're going to set her off. My lady, head on up to the front right there. DJ, 1, 2, 3, make it happen. Let's go. Come on over. I don't know what anyone. Let's go. Make it play. Let's go. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice and easy. Contestant number 2, let's go, we can play on. All right, everybody, clap, 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 clap. Let's go. Hey, in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 10, 9, watch out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, I don't want to see look with that internet over here, so still you know it go. But Riu Montego Bay, you're gonna clap, cheer, and show. Finally, you're down, so pick up the slippers and dance. Let's go!
Let's go, Judah!
Ready. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Turn. Looking and enjoying
personal
the
hype
moment.
man.
Number 2.
Because she did a split.
Number 3.
Woo! Oh, come on.
4.
Yeah, she did a split, so the split killed everything. Yeah.
Show some love for the lady. One time applause. Walking away with the prize there. Can't come over, yes, sir.
they ain't hot. Man's not hot. Never hot. Yo, but these patties, yo, I don't know if a juicy beef met them as straight or what, but
Nah, fam, stop it.
juicy beef.
Let's not.
I'll try to find a name for me.
Are you trying to say that it's not good at juicy beef?
No, it's good.
It's really good. Oh,
This is tasty. This tastes like a tasty patty. Yeah, but if this is not the branded patty, whoever made this,
turn up.
thief the recipe 100% can taste exactly like it. Wow. So we're just having a quick lunch. Rosemary there with her baby and the kids, 2 boys and a daughter. Yeah, we just pretty much getting something to eat. The patty are the best thing on the plate right now. Trust me, the best thing on the plate. Alright guys, so we just had, I would say it's lunch maybe, whatever it is, but you know what the food is like when the best thing you had on the plate was a patty. It was the best thing hands down. They had like chicken and pasta, right? Which they said was pretty good, but the burger was whack. I thought the burger would have been better, but the patty tastes like Tasty's patty. I don't know if a Tasty's a sponsor them or whoever the chef being good at copying. Never fail an exam. Yeah, so we're just out here on a little veranda kind of thing. This might be a pretty long vlog, I don't know, but you know, I'm just vlogging it how we see it, you know. I'm doing what we did today. Maybe I break it down into 2 vlogs, I don't know, maybe just 1. But what's my overall impressions of the hotel? Well, first of all, for those of you who can't quite afford, like, you know, to book a whole day or anything, you can do a day pass like what we did. So this is what we got here, it's a day pass. US dollars is 90 bucks, you feel me? You can come here from 9 o'clock. You can get here from 9 o'clock until 6 p.m. You can eat, you can do whatever the case is. So I think that's not bad. That's not bad at all, because normally, let's be real, if you're gonna take someone out, or you're gonna do an adventure or like a Cove, you're gonna be spending maybe like $100 anyway. So why not? It's not bad. What do I think of the place? The entertainment, like the entertainment stuff was a lot better than Bahia. Customer service, yeah, it's not 100%. Still, this compares nothing to Great Huts. Like, I don't care what no one want to tell me. As I said before, like, if you really want to, if you have a family and you want to do whatever the case is, then go to an all-inclusive. But if you want the real Jamaican experience where you feel that authentic touch to it and you get good service, guys, go and check out Great Huts. I'm in no way affiliated with them or anything like that. It's just my personal opinion. But anyway, yeah, I'm about to chill a little bit. We have room service in here, clean out and whatever. We have the day pass, so some of you might be thinking like, how do we have a room? We don't have a room. This is Rosemary's room and whatever, and she's just accommodating us because like she's pretty awesome, you know. So yeah, maybe I'll come back to the vlog. Maybe you guys want me to come back. Do you want me to come back? I don't know. Let's see.
Absolutely amazing, and everybody draw to that. Look at Angelo though. Will not let go of your hands at all. Bless him.
Yeah, so we're just out here for a little evening stroll. Nothing special. and they're just talking, and I'm just waiting to dance. Inside joke.
Yes, it's been amazing.
What'd you say?
No, I said, Stephen, I cannot tell you how much I love today and appreciate meeting you. And I feel like I met a friend for life in you too. And I hope you guys will always try to stick together and work things out no matter what, because you two make a beautiful couple. Absolutely gorgeous. And it's just been amazing today. I can't stop talking, it's been amazing.
I enjoyed my day too, 100%.
Amazing today.
100%.
You know, I couldn't ask for more. I'm happy, my kids are happy. Angela takes you so much. You guys, like, it's like family.
Yeah, I feel so too.
No joke. So when I get back,
So that probably
you understand exactly. We have to keep the link no matter what, Juna.
So we're about to have that bittersweet last drink, you know what I'm saying?
I know.
I feel sad.
No, I feel sad as well.
Honestly, I feel like so freaking sad. I don't like this part.
Because it's just been.
Yeah, I'm sad right now, but we're gonna have that
It's the
drink.
best time I had since I've been here. No word of a lie. It's the best. Honestly, it's the best time I've had since I've been down here. So I am gonna listen to. Steven, come give me a hug. Let's hug it out. Love and respect. I tell you, keep up everything that you're doing.
100.
Be the same that you are.
100.
Trust me.
100.
You're doing a great job.
Thanks,
as well. Fantastic job. Like, absolutely great.
Final one. Quick cheers, guys. It's been an awesome day.
It has been amazing.
Yes. So you know, guys, like I always try to keep you guys like, you know, see what I'm seeing. You feel what I'm saying? So the ladies are back there talking. Rosemary's about to do a little bit of vlogging for herself as well. But yeah, our evening is coming to an end. It was, how can I say, yo, very cool, very serene. I'm very happy that the subscribers that I've met thus far have become like friends. You see me? Like it feels right, and that's kind of really what I want to. That's what I want for the channel. I'm not, yo, for my YouTube, I'm legitimately not out there to try to, you know, become no popular person. I mean, of course I want to network and whatever, but when I do meet people, I want to meet people who are similar, like share similar views. Of course people are going to always be different, but make that difference be something that's positively influential to myself. And yeah, and it's been a really good day. I'm just going to try to show you guys the bungalows over there a little bit closer. I don't know, maybe one day. Well, I wouldn't come to this bungalow for sure, because as I said, I don't like the fact that the planes fly over and stuff, but the South Coast one I would definitely try. Babe, is that boat? No.
Yeah, it's close by though, right?
It's close by, yeah. But it's a great view.
Checking out the views and stuff like that.
Yeah. So the view is nice. Yeah, so yeah, it was pretty good. It's a pretty good day. I think my camera, one of the screws, like a tiny screw, has a little mishap. I don't know where I'm gonna get that screw. The screw is somewhere. I know I can find it somewhere, but I found it on eBay for like 20 bucks. But that's a part of doing YouTube. Like things are gonna happen, equipment's gonna have little problems, but that's what we do to put these videos out there so that you guys can watch them and, you know, sharing it. Overall, what do I think about this hotel? You guys know I'm not a hotel fan, but this has probably been my favorite hotel so far. Reason being, it's a lot of people here. When I went to Gran Bahia, it was maybe in April of last year. I don't know if that's like the tourism peak period. I'm not too sure. Well, maybe now is more of a peak period. Babe, when we went to Great Huts, they were saying that they were coming out of the off season.
Yeah.
They were coming out of it, right? Yeah, so because we're heading into the winter period, so yeah, a lot of people are here. I like that, because when you're around so many people, you never know, you can make a friend, you feel that liveliness and that life. I like that. The beach, first of all, the sand is a lot better than Grand Bahia. I never liked the sand in Grand Bahia. It felt very artificial. I don't know if this one is artificial or not, but this one is pretty good. Yeah. Again, with the service, I won't say like, you know, oh my god, it's the best service ever, but like, you know, it's a nice hotel, good vibe and everything. Overall, pretty good. But nothing still, unfortunately, nothing still as yet has beaten Great Huts. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video here, guys. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the links.
We'll be playing and having fun, and it makes me feel so fine. I can't control my brain. We'll run away together. We'll spend some time forever. We'll never feel bad anymore. Hip hip